Pegboard is a smart way to keep your shed, workshop, or garage walls organized. Available in an array of styles and finishes, Pegboard is easy to install and customize. Here's what you'll need. First, determine the size and shape of pegboard you'll need by measuring the area. Jot down the vertical and horizontal measurements so that you'll have it handy when it's time to finalize your materials list. If your space has drywall, plan on purchasing 1 by 2 inch furring strips. You'll need 2 furring strips for the horizontal edges and 1 for every wall stud you cross during installation. If you're going with a tempered, hardboard version of pegboard, you can cut it to your exact dimensions using a jigsaw or circular saw. Just make sure you place the front face down while cutting to keep the pegboard clean. Next, using a stud finder and pencil, mark the location on the studs on the wall. Then, attach the furring strips to the studs using 3/4 inch wood screws. To install the pegboard, have a friend hold it up in position over the furring strips. Once leveled, drive 3-inch wood or drywall screws through the pegboard at all 4 corners and ideally into the furring strips. Install drywall anchors if necessary. Now, test the pegboard's connection and, if necessary, tighten the screws. Then, load up your new pegboard with hooks, tool racks, and storage accessories. With so many options available in-store and online, you'll have no problem keeping your space neat, organized, and just the way you like it. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.